Hi. So, my favorite. Ayoko masagot. It's my favorite yogurt drink here in Japan. What else did I get? Strawberry peach jelly parfait layers. This is for Jovi. He wants to eat strawberries and peach sandwich, but it's not available. So, and I got him a warm Famichiki. It has lemon turnover. To get hungry in the middle of the night with family night, it's just downstairs, super near, right beside. Nice crackers, something crunchy, and this is what I'm excited about. Chilled salted cucumber. Let's try it. Parang hindi bagay sa yogurt, but let's try. A little too salty. Pero malasa. Sarap ng crunch. I think this would go well with the Famichiki. Okay, try Famichiki. Oh, dapat pala dito ko in-open. Rewind. Ayan o, it says open.
Oh, that's smart.
Smart na yun.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Sarap. Medyo oily. Parang sarap. Plain lang, there's no flavor. So I don't know if it's 7-Eleven or Lawson that has the mga powder. Like yuzu. What I saw downstairs was just spicy and regular. Here you go. And like I said earlier, I tried it with a pickle.
Dapat ganito lasa ng chicken nuggets ng Jollibee man lang. No?
Ay, meron ko na. I can eat it with a pickle. What else should we try? Do you want to try the parfait first or the bread?
The bread.
So this is lemon. I want to know if it's like a croissant because it seems like there are layers. So let's see. I want to remove it from the packaging so that... Okay. Yung corner walang palaman.
Yung mga that tinapay.
But smells nice. Not too overpowering.
It's really good, babe.
Yeah.
Family Mart?
Just downstairs. Turn right. Lemon and whipped cream. Medyo cheap yung lasa nito. Parang not worth the calories. No, that's yours. I'm just trying it for the vlog.
Okay, it's really good, babe.
Here. Don't finish this. And then here, should I try this? Yeah, it's refillable. It's called herb salt nuts, almonds, peanuts, cashew, macadamia. So there are 4 kinds. And it goes well with beer. Grabe, Japanese. Iba ang drinking culture nila talaga. Ang sarap. Super tasty. Sakto lang yung alat. Really good. Pero hindi ko nabili. Beer. Okay. I have another snack, but I don't know if I should open it because hindi siya resealable. Gusto ko na lang din. Open it up.
Okay.
Sounds good, right?
Yeah. I mean, the cream tastes good.
So we're gonna eat
The
that
lemon?
later. Here. So this is bite-size kabukiyage rice crackers. Tapos yung color niya parang ichiran, no? Pero I'm sure it's not.
Oh wow, that sounds so good. Can I try one?
Yeah. Yep.
I think James would like that.
Oh, bubusog na ako. Try this out. And for dessert, we'll share this small strawberry and peach jelly parfait. I'll show you how it looks like because it's so pretty in person. Mukhang gross, mukhang sipon sa video, pero in person, cute siya.
Wow, this is good.
Yeah. Can you check the expiration date? See if we can bring home. 2024?
2025.
Wow, pwede. Pwede mag-stock.
January 5.
Sarap. Jelly part pa lang and parang panakota yung na-try ko. Hindi ko pa na-try yung
Beer
bottom.
nuts bagay with Baroka.
Mm.
Collab, please. Sponsor.
Parang mostly strawberry jam yung baba. Then panna cotta. Then yung taas, jelly na with bits of peach and strawberries. Sarap. Light lang siya. Here you go, babe. Yours na.
Ang takahubas, babe.
That's my first mukbang and ano ba to? Haul from Family Mart.